Okay, this is a quick video on creating alt text copy for images placed into WordPress. So there's a standard formula for creating these photos, and it's not terribly difficult. So how do we do it? So the first thing that will give you information for this image is the file name that's already been supplied. So in this case, woman, hammock, 4 Mile Beach, Port Douglas. So another piece of information would be where this file is located, where you've picked it up from to add it to the media library. So it's in the Port Douglas folder and this is the state, Queensland, QLD for short, and the country is Australia. So how do we name an alt text for this one? We start with the micro and we end up with the macro. So starting off with what is this and where is it? So what is this? This once again is a woman relaxing in a hammock on 4 Mile Beach. Then we'll move into basically where is it? So adding more keywords that will help with people in their searches. So someone might be wanting to holiday in Port Douglas, and we'll move wider than that and say Queensland, Australia. And that's essentially it. So we've started off with the very micro and we've ended up all the way out to Australia. We've expanded the words a little bit here, and it's essentially the same as what this is here. It's just in a more expanded form. There may be extra details that you could think of that would help in a keyword search, but we don't want to make these too long, otherwise the focus of the image starts to get lost. So short, succinct, a little bit longer than this term here, and that's how we create an alt text.